parking, we're going to do a straight back, offset parking, and parallel parking. So as you can see, the cones are set up. There'll be 2 lanes of cones and usually one further up ahead for offset parking. So we're going to head inside the bus now. Okay, so the distance between the cones is a lot shorter than it usually will be on the actual exam, because since I'm not at an exam location, I don't have as much space. Alright, so before you move your bus anytime, you have to make sure that your ID marker is on, destination sign is on, and your low beam is on. So that way, all the lights outside the bus that's supposed to be on is on. Alright, so first we're going to do a straight back. So to do a straight back, you have to keep the bus in between the lane of the cones. You're going to look in your mirrors to make sure that you're staying in the center, which means equal spacing on both sides of the cones. Now, when the back of the bus passes the first set of cones, then you're going to stop. Okay. So right now, the back of the bus has passed the first set of cones. So now I'm going to put my bus in reverse. And I'm going to back up until I pass the last set of cones. While I'm backing up, I'm going to look in both of my top mirrors in order to make sure that I stay in between the 2 sets of cones. Okay, so I'm going to start backing up. As I'm backing up, I'm going to look back and forth between the 2 top mirrors to make sure that I maintain the same distance, keeping the bus in the center of the cones. If you feel like you're leaning towards one side of the cones as opposed to the other, you're going to counter steer until your bus is back in the middle, and then you're going to put your steering wheel straight again. When you can't see the cones in the top mirrors anymore, you're going to look in your bottom side view mirrors. And then when you can't see the cones anymore in your bottom side view mirrors, you're going to look in your crossover mirrors. So you're going to keep backing up until you pass all sets of the cones. Now, when you can see the last set of cones in front of you, you're going to stop. Secure your bus, and then you're going to beep your horn to let the inspector know that you finished.